So, hello friends. In this lecture, we will be looking at downloading and installing R software, and also we'll be looking at R Studio, how to download that. As I said, we will be starting a new series that will be based on learning data science and the applications of the same in R language, that is open source. You can see on the top bar, I have www.r-project.org. Just type this on your address bar, and once you enter once you press enter, you will go to this page, the R project for statistical computing. Under the heading getting started, you can see a small link to download R. Just click on that. It will guide you to the next page. So under zero cloud, you can see there is a link, cloudrprojects.org. Please click on that. After you click that link, this will display a box in which in the top you will see download and install R. Just click on download R for Windows. Because I am working on Windows, so I am clicking on that. If you are working on Linux, Mac, etc., you can choose the options accordingly. So I am clicking on download R for Windows. This takes me to another page, that is R for Windows, and install R for the first time. Then after I click on that, I will be actually getting the link from where my download will start. Once I click, you will see that the download will start. My download has already started. So my the file is downloaded. uh, just double click on that. This box will show up. Just press yes, press ok, continue with the English language. This is a license. If you wish, you can go through it and then press next. This will be a default address of the folder where your software will be installed. So let it be what it shows by default and press next. You can press next. This is by default. All the options are already checked. So here I am letting it know accept defaults. So press next, and once I press next, this will start to show me this box. That is I think that is the last option. So whatever is selected by default, let it be, and just press next. So my downloading is started. Since my software is already installed, I have just cancelled it, but you can you will have to keep it running till it shows the finish. So similarly, we will have to download R Studio as well. So if you write rstudio.com and press enter on your address bar, it will take it to the site posit.co. Once this page appears, there is an option given on top side, that is download R Studio. Click on that, then scroll down and you will see R Studio desktop free. Just click on download. Now the another page appears, and if you scroll down, you will see there are different options which are given for Windows 10, 11, Mac, Ubuntu. So accordingly, just select your option and click on that link. So since I am working on Windows 10, I will click on this and my download will start. So you can see this file is already downloaded now in my downloads. So I will double click on this, press yes, then press next, press next, and once you click install, it will start installation process. Please proceed with the installation and then click finish button. So these softwares are already installed in this, so I am not installing it again. This was just to show you how you have to reach the final installation step. So, so you can see the environment of RStudio, and if you press Ctrl plus L, everything will be deleted. You can use this as a simple calculator like 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Then you can also see exponent. If you want to calculate exponent of 2, will give you answer. And there are similar operations which we are going to see in our next classes. We will also learn how to install different packages for the operations. So if you liked this video, please kindly like it, share it, and subscribe it. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.